Hello and welcome to our channel. In our last video in the NDO 365 series, we showed you our new authentication method that we use to create Microsoft Teams meetings in the HCL Notes calendar. Today we want to deepen the topic of authentication a little bit more because our Teams at Notes plugin now also supports the forwarding of login requests via ADFS. Previously, only employees could create a Teams invitation in the Notes calendar that were created as native Azure ID users with an Azure password or that were synchronized from Active Directory into Azure AD, including a password hash of the Microsoft password. In both cases, the authentication takes place in Azure AD. In the latest version of our Teams at Notes plugin, we now also support the registration of ADFS users such as Lydia. When we log in to office.com with Lydia's username and password, we are forwarded to our ADFS server. That means the authentication does not take place in Azure AD, but is forwarded to the Windows Active Directory via ADFS. Now ADFS users like Lydia can easily create a Teams meeting from within their Notes calendar. The login process looks the same for Lydia as it does for users whose authentication takes place in Azure AD. Forwarding the authentication via the ADFS server is simply done in the background. Do you use ADFS in your company and have therefore not yet been able to use our Teams at Notes plugin? Then just give us a call and get the latest version of Teams at Notes. We will continue to keep you up to date on the new features of our Teams at Notes plugin on this channel. If you want to find out more about the integration possibilities of HCL Notes Domino and MS Office 365, visit us on our website www.itwu.de.